Are you not able to remember any word if you learn it on any day? So if this problem is with you, then here are some tips which will help you to remember any word for a longer period of time. Number one is make your own dictionary. Make your own personal dictionary. Yeah, whatever words you think that it's easy for you, you will be able to remember it, which are daily use type words, those only write it down and make one own dictionary. Don't pick any dictionary of Oxford or Cambridge one, but rather make your own. Number two is don't pick any random word from newspaper or from any book. You're thinking that yeah, this word is sounding quite fancy, so why not to write it down? No, never make this mistake. Don't pick any random words from newspaper and all. Then even if you just by heart it, but when the right moment would come, you won't be able to put it. So only write those words which you can apply it in your day-to-day life. Number 3 point is when you are learning any word, try to relate that word with someone or something. Try to relate that word. Let's say that if you have picked any word like over the moon, this is the idiom, so it means happy. So try to relate it with someone who is always in a happy mood. Next one is try to make sentences with that particular word. If you have picked any word, try to make sentences. Just now I said over the moon, try to make sentences, at least 5 sentences with that word, so that you will be able to understand the concept also, and naturally next time it would be coming based on your situation. While you are writing any new word, try to write the meaning in English as well as your mother tongue. It doesn't matter that how good you are at English, but still we can relate more with our mother tongue. So writing the meanings in both the languages are important, first in English and also in your mother tongue, so that you can relate with the word and the meaning. Write the antonym, also the synonym of the word, so that you can relate it in a much better way. Let's say that if you have put any word on your notebook like happy, so try to pick the antonym of it also, try to write it down, which is sad, and synonym of happy is elated, over the moon, on cloud nine, like that. So synonyms and antonym both you write it down when you pick any word from anywhere. Even if you write it, but if you don't revise it daily, then you won't be able to remember it and it won't be of any use. So when you write or make your personal dictionary, try to revise the words at least twice in a day. Each day maybe you have written 5 words, only go with 5 words per day. Don't write too many words, otherwise it would be confusing. Each day write 5 words and try to revise it at least twice in a day, and sit in a quiet position where no one is there to disturb you. Like you can revise it in the morning and before going to sleep.